Lisa and I go bust them bubble and walk out everybody in a trouble and face have been up, them a struggle, them a cuddle, make everybody.
Yes, good afternoon. How are we ask, brother? We ask. You know, see what I go on in Jamaica, how hard, Lord of mercy. The artists, them, the Jamaican artists, them now start to do dubplate. The election is on the 3rd of September, and you find that the Jamaican artists, them, start to do dubplates. So the political segment now become a big joke. So we call it political joke. Straight up. You know, boy, if America peace, Jamaica feel it, and Jamaica follow. I don't know why them so damn, you know. Good afternoon, people. What do I say? Well, right now on the turntable we have a Lisa Hannah dubplate. First of all, the jerk the place with from Spice.
Lisa Hannah go bust them bubble and walk out everybody in a trouble and face have been up, them a struggle, them a cuddle. Lisa make everybody just a grumble and Lisa make Jamaica look good. Southeast and tongue them a boom. Lisa body boom. Walk out Lisa, your body boom. Lisa Hannah none of them.
I remember back in the days when them used to cuss reggae artists and call them boogie yaga music and fool people. And now the politician now doing like America, getting the artists who have the crowd to come and make them win the rally. So now somebody get creative somewhere and say, you know what, we gotta just give the artist some money, do a dubplate and call my name. And this is what's going on right now. And I have more here. So this is Spice doing Lisa Hannah one. Good afternoon, good morning, good whatever. You know, yeah, we have more here. And I'm gonna give you them by the minute. Then we talk about it.
Lisa, the boy can't say you ever beg him in your style that put your car to him out, you will flop that. Yeah, you have your own money, yeah, you got that. Oh, Lisa, step in every girl, I feel like chat. Do your face only behind back. Some girl I walk for them one just in my.
Right now, that Chelsea are doing Lisa Hannah dubplate. Listen, people.
Lisa, you not depend on nobody because you have your money. Can't sell your office when you can pay your money. No depend on nobody because you have your money. Can't sell your office when you Lisa. You are independent girl, real number one trending girl. Lisa, you not dependent girl. Have your own thing, not be boom fence girl. Yeah, independent girl. Lisa Hannah, independent girl. Yeah, hey, no can defeat. Fix up the place, and look sweet. No long talking, she a work.
So the entertainer them join with the politician people them. Political people of Jamaica, we call it political joke.
Hey, if when you talk about Clark, you have to talk about Nigel Clark.
Nigel Clark and this is Javilani.
Hey, Nigel Clark, with the smoke like trees. Fuchs money tool, with the float like breeze. Stick to the door, you don't know what time is. 18 row, buffalo tight jeans. Nigel take up in a them stream in a brand new Clarks. One foot. Every girl pass shoot Nigel a brand new Clarks. 1 foot. We gonna make a link pan pushing away new.
Good afternoon, people. Good afternoon. In case you don't know what's going on, I hear me playing music right now. Good afternoon, Eileen. We are playing dubplate for the politician, for the MPs in Jamaica. This one is called Clarks by Javilani. It's a dubplate. And it's dedicated to Nigel Clark. Yeah. I call it a political joke, cause trust me, the politicians start to rely on the reggae artists them now to hype them up. You see the double standard thing we are going, people?
Yo,
Here is Tyler G.
Stunting. Yo, Peter Bunting. Stunting. Central Manchester, I want to them. Yo, Bunting out and stunting. Kyle them tick like dumpling. Comrade gal them jumping. Action ready for the thumping. Yo, this have a buzz still here. Bunting cause the dub plus race. Just calculate the total.
This is dubplate here, people, for the political leader them. I tell you.
Them oh lad, if a style we a put it on them oh lad. Gyal come vote bring a friend. Say she want par with Bunting them. Boom boom when Mark pull up with the.
You know, I wanna hear the one they do for our friend. You know we are talking about Christopher Tufton. I wanna hear the one they do for him. I'm waiting to see that one come out, you know.
Hear me no flight green. Yo Southwest St. Elizabeth. Hear me no middle quarters, Knoxwood, Black River. In a we own a lane, now we own a game, so no boy can stall we. Hear me no Barbara Hall, yo Treasure Beach. Hear me no Brampton, Fly Green. Him no friend no link, style to him thing. No trust some boy, them me pass with drink. Fly Green and rate you, never run your people. No I'm in a lane, till you see that in a them own a lane. Now them no own a game, so no boy can stall we. Stay in a him.
Election is coming up, you know, so you find that the political leaders and the MPs them decide to go with the artists them and create some songs. We call it dubplate, you know. So right now, I remember back in the days, who wanna talk to me, you can call me, the number, the line is always open. I remember back in the days, you can't wear red or green. Man, killer for that. So now, I remember one time when we used to go to dance, you can't go to certain dance in a certain area, because it is the opposition area. Here and chamber, big up yourself, brother. The opposition area. And people from that area shoot you, murder you, do your things. And now, I remember a particular entertainer get threatened because they were using his song, Flower Gun to be exact. Yeah, when Eddie Siaga come up and say we run things will run with. And Eddie Siaga would have to remove that song because Flower Gun life was in trouble. But what we evolved a long way, we gone through a whole lot of thing. Yeah, people, we are telling them we got serious. So right now the artists them come together and doing dubplates for the politician leaders them. You know, I like it, actually like it, you know. But we see the double standard within.
Yo, Peter Bunting, Stunting, Central Manchester, warm to them. Yo.
You know, I would like to do one for Mr. Christopher Tufton, down in the throat, you know. Yeah, I would like to do the down in the throat dubplate for him. That would be something I would love to see. Yeah, definitely.
Bunting, Howard, Stunting, them gala say sweet like pumpkin.
This is Peter Bunting dubplate by Stylogy. Well, loving people, right now we're gonna give you another one and then we run left it. Yeah, we're gonna give you another one, then we run left it. Good afternoon, people. Good afternoon. Paul, let me see you. Yeah, what really happened right here, people, is just entertainment and fun. But what I'm excited about is to know that we evolved so much away from this madness. Because we know that 1980 election was a dangerous year. Blood shed, blood run, over 800 people died. In 1980 election, you couldn't talk out a different party, but right now, I love it. Actually, I love it. I like the kind of unity we are going. But still, we have to wait and see. Loving people, remember the line open if you want to have a discussion. Because politics time again, are you going to vote? I don't know. Well,
Isa, the boy can't say you ever begging under your style that put your car to him out, you will flop that. Yeah, you have your own money, yeah, you got that. Oh, Lisa, step in every girl, I feel like chat to your face only behind back. Some girl I walk for them one just in mind, man, that's a no. Lisa, you're not different from nobody because you have your money. Can't sell your office when you cause I pay your money. You're different from nobody because you have your money. Can't sell your office when it Lisa, you are independent girl. Real number one trending girl. Lisa, you're not dependent girl. Have your own thing now, be boom fence girl.
remember people, this show is brought to you by Leyland Construction Company. You know, they are really the best around town. And I always advocate that black people should support black people in their business. You understand me? Yeah. Because without you supporting your brother won't get nowhere. So Leyland Construction, take care of your needs. Everything construction in Cali, they will take care of for you. Right? Yeah. And the phone number as usual, if you need to call them, is 074-6582-4346. It's on the screen. Leyland Construction, everything in construction they do. Corky register and all this thing, plumbing, etc. So these guys are really up to date and they have what it takes to deal with things. Yeah, man. The loving people, one bless up and remember to share the thing and make it go and deal with something right here. Leyland Construction, the only thing Once you want construction for done, call Leyland and you're alright. 07465824346. Right? And it's on your screen. Just copy it and put it on. From plumbing, carpentry, bricklaying, plastering, you name it. Everything construction wise. And they are COGI registered to. They deal with gas and electricity. Gas and stuff like that. So big up on yourself, people, and remember to make note of the number, put it one side. You might have an emergency, call on them. They will sort you out. Remember that Leyland Construction is the only construction and it's approved by yours truly. So remember that. Go and do nothing, people, and remember, hold tight. Anywhere in London you're there, call on Leyland 07465824346. As a matter of fact, anywhere in the England you're there. Straight up. Alright. What we there now, people? Good after morning, good day, good whatever you experience at your neck of the wood. How are me see you? And my girlfriend Eileen, how you doing? I hope you cook me rice and peas put on, you know, because I really want me dinner tonight. Trust me. Alright, people. So the political people, them now decide that they really want to win election. They go and dig up some of the trending artists and decide to probably give them some money, I don't know. Because they want to be call up them name. But I remember the controversy caused 1980. When Flower Gun after, like that shit come to Flower Gun and say, oh yeah, labor rights, you gotta use it. Because Flower Gun sing a song some time ago, we run things will run away. And boy, I tell you, I remember one time some entertainer can go to some political tribal area. And you can see it getting better. We evolve a lot, we're coming a long way from the judgment. We're coming through slowly. When we see how the political party now united with the reggae artists, but still yet people, reggae was one of the things them where they call it boogie yaga music. Uptown people never want you, your art, if you're son of reggae artist, or you're son of reggae, you're a boogie yaga fool. They don't want you there with them data about later on. Shabba Rankin, Yellow Man and all them man, they make reggae music become something where people have to respect. I love it. I remember when Yellow Man just start singing thing them, you know. And I go through with them. And Yellow Man come to England here. And them tell Yellow Man, say, yo, Yellow Man, you up now. Now buy you some clothes now and get some jewelry on your neck, you know. Yeah, man. Yellow Man says, oh, I'm to the money. Man, said that you pay. Yellow Man said, no. Me not go on no stage. No stage at all, and it's to pay me. And Yellow Man is telling them how much, that's why he call the king, you know. Yellow Man is demanding how much money he want. And Yellow Man is the first, believe it or not, first reggae artist to go on tour and come back with something. And Yellow Man carry back a BMW where they call Badman Wagon. And the DJ them realize now they can go. DJ used to go up on tour and come back hungry. And they got in some clothes, some cheap clothes and Primark. And some wash over chain. And them DJ all because them used to love the craft but don't know the business part of it. A King Yellow Man come and change it around and say, listen man, I was born hungry, I was born poor, I don't know nothing about pretty clothes and jewelry, I don't need that. I need money. And the man say would never put foot on the stage until you give him certain amount of money. And they want Yellow Man so bad because he was reigning. So every DJ should pay respect to Yellow Man. Because the man set the chain. And we have to pick up the albino. King Yellow Man. Yeah, so people, what we are saying right now then. One time gone, reggae music, our culture, our music, when Germany hold it long time ago. Europe hold it long time ago. America hold it long time ago. But Jamaica never accept it. Jamaica just accept reggae music recently. I'm telling you. Up to now we don't have a reggae. You know, say up to now we don't have a base where we can say reggae base or reggae land or something where for the government and tourist board. Where we can sit down and say, you know, me I got Jamaica chill out, you know. Alright, some piece of cook, my friend. Yeah man, me I come for mine. Stew chicken, yes, vegetable. Wow, that sounds like a full Monty. Yeah. Up to now, Jamaica government not see to put together a little place where you can have reggae play 24/7. Food is there, man a sell, people are hustle, and people having fun. But that Germany. You understand me? So we are saying right now, the government now start to acknowledge the artists them some more and show them little respect. Cause see now them use them for dub plate. First time they were bookie, you got a little illiterate boy, no have no sense, no level. When they go past, oh, I'm not going to listen to that artist, it's stupid, it's foolish. Well, now we see them sing song and people emulate and try to do the things where the song said. Reggae music is no longer for the grassroots again. It is now everybody music. Because right now they try to change reggae music away and call it chop music now and give it different name and try to damage it up so much. So when I say people, we're glad for it. We're glad for the little effort and thing. Right, move the advert now. We're glad for the effort. We're glad for what I go on. Don't chat to me now, people. Because I'm there if I talk to them, I come here with a hi. See my girlfriend tell me what she cook. Lord have mercy, right now my lip I run. My mouth a chip water, tap. For me well want to go eat some of them food there. I tell you people. Yes, loving people. I tell you. So, I'm proposing right now. Things is changing slowly, Howard. Very slow. Because Jamaica is a place where I come from. Now remember that, you know. Bob Marley. And we don't even have nothing if Bob Marley family them never decide to live up Tough Gun and have it there. We only have nothing where fit link with reggae. Them used to have Sting gone. Yeah? Reggae Sunfest gone. Reggae Sunsplash gone. You can't hardly find a function to go in Jamaica on the 20 Rebel Salute now, and that alone can't do. But Germany have a 24-hour place where you can go and listen and play reggae, and that place I should call Little Jamaica. Wow, Dubplate. Yeah man, politician. Election I come up, darling. Come the 3rd of next month, everybody want to win, so them start a Dubplate. Spice the 2 for the woman named Lisa Hannah, and then do so many different Dubplate. And it really attractive. What is? It really attractive to see how the reggae business gone to the politician and they start to accept it now. But Germany accept it a long time. Germany run with it a long time. Germany find out that. And you see sad thing about it, the ganja where we used to glorify and love. Canada run with that now. We have to wake up. We have to wake up, people. We have to wake up. The ganja. When we used to plant ganja in Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth and all them places there, and man who don't travel all about ganja plane, don't take risk. Come and pick up a bunch of ganja and go with. Man have a short money and plane a fly and all them something there. Plane have to come down low. And why can I suck man have dash box of ganja inside because they know a soldier come and people have a fly. Then boom up feel when plane used to land down there for ganja go through. Now the ganja become a little bit, what you call it now? It's not fully legalized, but they regulate it one way. And because they regulate it now, you find Canada does a go to Jamaica, buy up the ganja and carry go to Canada and do all kind of something with it and I make billions out of it. Why make everything we have so people can just take away from we so we just left from one like we know nothing? Trinidad find himself with little island Trinidad say no. When the German firm go to buy your Trinidad Isle, Trinidad say you mad? By who? You bad? Boy, I mean I know what I go on, you know. And right now, Trinidad border locked. Trinidad don't have to really up in them border for letting nobody because them don't really want no tourists. But Jamaica, in spite of coronavirus, the border have to open. And watch the madness now. Check the madness now, people. When the border open and you go to a tourist, you can't go now, you have to stay in the hotel. Who the hell can tell me if I'm going to Jamaica on holiday? You tell me say I can only stay in my hotel. Let me not go nowhere then. You depend on my money, but still that you want to regulate my movement and things like that. Trinidad said, no, we don't need tourists. We don't have to need tourists. We have our isle here. And we don't sell it to no German company. Why have you shake your head, my brethren? Trinidad had them isle down there and them just work with them isle and them export and them little different thing. And them survive off of it. So if no tourists are flying, them no worry because they have things to keep their company running. That is why Trinidad still keep them border locked. But because Jamaican government now, we rely so much on IMF and tourism, we can't lock even do a check is at our door. Coronavirus is everywhere. We still have to open it and take in whatever come and play like an idiot. I don't see what we are saying. The little reggae music we have it gone. The little ganja we have it gone. And at that we are saying about we're glad to see how the young boy them who turn prime minister, politician now, start to embrace. Man, I'm gonna drive to town as a politician, they want him to blast some cartel. And some gear down in your throat and thing now. See them at the Dubplate and now watch this. Spice and all them people. So you see, we're moving slowly though, but we should go farther and faster. You know about I said the politicians them decide to team up with the artists them and show the unity. The artists them no longer become boogie yaga come and country full illiterate boy. Eh? I love it. I said I love it. Yeah man, we love it. One time gone you couldn't go in a labor zone. You couldn't wear red, orange or green. Man, shoot off your head how dark them was down there. So right now we see it slowly changing. But my problem is We need a reggae place in reggae land. We need them visit up get a place and make sure reggae play 24/7. Hotel is there, gym is there, everything is there. For you to have fun and enjoy yourself and eat fried chicken, jerk chicken, and all the things that come with the culture. That is what I've been balling for the longest while. We need a place, 15 acre, 20 acre land with a whole of different department where you can go do different things. And in your regular land, music play 24/7. Keep it. You have so much bush and so much rural places where you can go far from the people and walk over the night abatement, nice and all them something there. Have security around there and things like that and keep everything in order. A woman who have her children can come hustle. Sell her little bag juice or whatever she wanna sell. This little man over there can come selling little something and everybody alright, then just pay a fee and everything nice. Reggae music play 24/7. Tourists come down and flood the place. Excitement and fun we want. We can't just make Germany and Europe and all in different countries take away everything we have. We'll go reggae music gone to Germany. Our Germany, a place in Germany where you go there 24/7 now play reggae music, Bob Marley, Peter Touch, Dennis Brown, everybody right through the day. Food and share, jerk chicken down, people make money, people live. And we don't have that at Jamaica. Now the reggae artists them not talk either because them need good distribution company in Jamaica. We sign them up and legal up them thing and make them got document, sign contract with them. If Virgin Record want to sign up artists from Jamaica, Virgin should have a office in Jamaica where the youth them can go in and sign up and prove themselves and audition and things like that. You can't have your base in America and some of the youth them not have a visa. And them thing that we are trying to say for the longest while we want to. The government need to have at least a 50 acre land somewhere far away from civilization that nobody can come talk about the Lord nice and all them something here. I make reggae music play right through because this is what we have. Germany do it and I go through with it and live. The economic boots. Because of that now coronavirus business come around. Them forced to open the airport and letting people because them need the tourists. Trinidad don't need it because Trinidad have them oil and them asphalt and them different thing. So Trinidad want to attack with this kind of foolishness that we call coronavirus. Them can still lock them airport and happy. Because when the German come, they go to Trinidad, I repeat myself. When the German come, they go to Trinidad and say, listen man, I want to buy your asphalt from you. I want to control it. They say, get out of here. When they go, I want to buy the oil from them, I say, listen, I want to buy the oil from you, get a percentage. They say, get out of here and run them out. Alright, now I tell you people, we'll go ganja gone. Every day they got a plane. Plane travel 24/7 from Jamaica to Canada. With ganja in that, going to process and send across the world. I feel we country that we have God Almighty, nature, whatever you want to call him, bless us with something, but we don't know how to use it, so we sell it off, we give it away, we turn it back to it. Hence the Chinaman come in and decide to take over. The Chinaman come in and decide to take over the country. How dare you sign a 50-year contract with a Chinese company? Eh? Madness, Rasta. Well, anyway, we talk about it till we mouth pain and nobody listen. So, right now, we'll get it up late them.
Yes, when you talk about
I feel the amount of young artists with Jamaica and the aspiring artists out there that have the talent. They want to be discovered. And the government should do something for them too. And a whole lot of talent down there and it's just a crab in a barrel business. Bread, you know what to say bread big enough for every man get them one share of bread, you know. The bread is big enough for every man get them share of bread. But we need a place in Jamaica where reggae born, where reggae come from. We can't afford for the German and different people them steal it away from us every time. And when you want to hear some good reggae music, you have to go German. Half of the people them down, they don't even understand what the song I say. But they love them reggae and they wear them Jamaican color and them and go through. And you see some of them are dance, some of them don't even know what song I say. But them love what we have so much. And nothing wrong with them love what we have. But we still should cherish what we have. And I believe we should have a distribution company and some of them big companies with deal with artists them fear. Based in Jamaica. I tell you that. And every day audition should be going on and whole part thing they should be scanning out youth and say, alright, you're not good, you're good. Come, you go back and go learn and come back. This thing should be going on. We should have a place, I say, called Reggae Land. Because Jamaica full of reggae music artists. Jamaica full of dancer. Jamaica full of talent. But guess what we do? We have to suppress it because not every youth will get the chance to go sign up with Virgin or Atlantic Record or all of these big company. We should have some of the rich man them in Jamaica to come up with a company to help the youth them in the country where them live. And make them do some business part of it, sign up some contract and build them and show them the cheer and make them got you. Yeah. See Billboard doing things the other day there. And I left out Beanie Man and Bunty people come like, you want to tell me say, you can't tell the people what to do with for them think of, for them business that for them country, for them opinion, for them idea. Them don't have to add you to them thing. And you for make sure you put your thing out there and make it work properly. You can't say, oh, then disgrace Beanie and Bunty. Then you don't know what they don't rate you already. You don't know what they don't rate you already. They don't rate you. So them now go put you in front for them people. Now you know if you take the initiative and say, watch me now. I'm going to do this to my artists, my country and my culture, you know. What minister of culture I deal with? I don't like to talk to them people, you know. We have to hear with them and say, trust me. We can put some idea to them if they don't know it. And know that we are deal with. Yeah. Because truth be told, man, it grieves me sometimes when I see you go some place. 24-hour reggae music, I play, people enjoy themselves, food, I drink, man, I drink, every little thing, people are hustle, same way. And that now go on to Jamaica, we just depend on the tourism alone, and tourism can't help we alone. We have to use what we got and work it out, brethren. But anyway, I think changes will come, you know, because the politician themselves link up with the artists them right now.
You know the country boy representing for the realest BSB radio in London. Baba Chukube. Clarty again.
Clarty again, for real. So people, what we are saying right now, we are trying to reach Ministry of Culture, to talk to them one way. I mean, them know that since them start to acknowledge the youth, them know who sing the song. They put some provision in place for the youth, them. Because a whole heap of artists underground right now, we really can... You know what artists say me some song and listen to some say, yo, the artists are a real artist, you know. The artists sit down and study music and know how to put it out there and them song well clean, especially a man like Japika and them man there. Yeah. But guess what now, the youth them want a break. And if you have the industry wider, you only have to have so much crab in a barrel business. Because every man out there look one corner, you just come and present yourself and prove yourself. And the people them hold on upon you and who kick you out, because if you're not good, you'll get kicked out. That's what Jamaica culture go with music. If you're not good and you're not shocked and you make it, you're not getting nowhere. See, Gully Bop come with 2 songs there when I hear about him again. 6 years ago and gone. Gully Bop, who hear about him lately? Nothing. Because they fly too fast and they drop too fast. But the point we make right now is that we should have a reggae land somewhere in Jamaica. Go in the bush of St. Elizabeth then, no man. Get a 50-acre land, buy it and build some building down there. Hotel over there, so this and that. This is called reggae land. You play music 24/7, people come and eat food and all activity go on and things are going right through the year. Kind of in winter them something if you worry about cold weather and all them things there. Put up some high-tech camera, make the place look good and people come from all about. Come visit the place who come from far. Hotel is right on the corner. Man can stay at hotel. If you want to rough it out, you can just stay and dance until daylight. Because 24-hour business we are talking about. Not now shut off to run right through like Germany. You understand me? That we as a people, we don't know where we're going. We don't know. Then you could have said, alright, you know what, we don't have to deal with America unless they import some stuff. But no, you have to start dealing with foreign and tourists now. Because what? And then you look at bread come from, and then you look at money come from. So you have to keep on depend on them. When they come in the coronavirus thing, you can shut your country and say, nobody now come to my country. Me can live. Because I have my own resources. But no, you can't do that. If you do that, the company paralyzed, country paralyzed. So any rubbish America or any other first world or so-called first world come with, you have to buy it. See what the airline gone. The airport gone. Many of you don't know the airport don't hold. The 2 airports in Jamaica don't owned by Jamaica. Now found don't know that. I said the airline gone. We have no Jamaican airline again. The airport gone. And China man come and buy out. Well, I'm going to tell you why. Why? You know what I say, people? So we need to do something and I talk to right now. I want this to share till they get to Ministry of Culture. We need Ministry of Culture to hear the live here. And take some of the proposal when I give to them. We want a place down where we call the reggae land. Music play right through, food I cook right through the day. Jerk chicken pan a run, jerk chicken man if you do shift. This year man a come and doing shift and gone home, and next man come doing shift and gone home. That man over there sell coconut water. That man over there sell this and be hustling and go on. People are live. Tourists come, everybody happy. You're having fun, money and make. If it can happen in Germany and work for the German people, it can work for we. Because reggae invented in Jamaica, but the people they find out that reggae is a big business and them decide to steal the idea for we. And me contrast my argument with saying that the ganja, the good ganja now, they have man a fly down from Canada 3 times a day to pick up ganja and carry to Canada and process it. Because Canada I first one legalize ganja. The poor little youth them who da mingle with the ganja, them can't even get the license for legal. You can't get the license. You have to have 3 million Jamaica dollar. If you want ganja license in Jamaica, you have to have 3 million Jamaica dollar and have all the equipment them to plant it. So what the little poor man will always get squeezed. No man, you should open the market for the youth them and make it more affordable. Some man will know not about planting the weed, some man will just read book and hear about planting the weed. Them can do it because they have the money. And the real youth them will plant weed from God know when in the 80s. We know how, we know what weed, what seed is not good and what seed and what to do and how the soil and all them things. Because I remember me a youth I grew up and we used to plant the weed, we not tell no lie. We used to plant the weed and sometimes plant weed not come because the time we learn. After a while the virgin them get it and you find when harvest come, whole of weed, nice strong weed, man I travel from all about come to buy weed. And man I sell a little big portion of weed and see when I get a little money and man happy seeing where man can get a little thing sort out. Now the weed market open up and Canada fly plane 3 times a day to Jamaica to pick up weed and run off with it. Go to Canada go and process it. And give CDC island, all kind of different something. And the poor people and the country where they come from still sit on one place, can't move, nah move, will never move. Want to talk about people, don't talk to me. Who want to call me, call me. The ability to understand reggae music to the fullest. Yeah, it bless us to understand reggae music, hold on. And we now have the ability to jump on a mic and a rhythm and shake the world. And people love it to the fullest. So right now we have to deal with it properly. Good afternoon, caller.
Hi there, good afternoon.
Bless up, bless up.
Listeners. Yeah, no, just a quick comment really.
Yeah.
I just saw the title about the dubplates that the artists are doing in Jamaica from politicians, and I just kind of feel that I hope that they're not just doing it for the money, you know, because they're getting paid.
It possibly the money and the hype to win the election, and I don't think they're really genuine, but again, I'm not really gonna judge them because it's a good move still, you know?
Yeah.
It's a good move
I mean,
to see.
It's the important things really about the communities that benefit, not only just for the hype.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because that's what you know, I think in the 70s and 80s, that's what it's about, that the government wasn't doing enough for the people.
Yeah.
So it's nice that artists are joining forces with politicians, but if you can look at it, it's that it's an elite club.
Yeah.
And artists earn quite, you know, a decent amount of money. Some earn lots of money.
Yeah.
And politicians earn a decent amount of money. So they're all on the same level in terms of finances, whereas the poor people aren't on that level. And ultimately, the goal is to help the country and push the people forward. So I hope the Dubplates isn't just about getting their songs that are hit songs already, just getting more play. Because that's not what it's about.
Yeah, because they can push the artists there, and what artists don't, they can make it, you know, but they are going to stifle. And Ministry of Culture now do much for the youth, them same way, because reggae one of the biggest thing Jamaica ever have, you know. Nobody can stop reggae. And when you see how German, as we said before, and deal with the reggae, German not creative enough to come in with the reggae thing, so they know the thief in front of you. And I deal with it 24/7 and I make money and mad money off of it. And I keep some mad function. They have a function they call it bumbo clot. What kind of function that? What can I name that? But it's mad. It's mad when you see them and go out with anything, it's mad. Because them hear the word used by Jamaican and they use a word they don't know what I mean. And they have a dance called that, a festival called that. And when that festival are gone, a sweetness, So,
I used to know someone who used to go to a reggae festival in Jamaica every single year.
Yeah.
He used to get a tent or wherever he could stay just to listen to all the reggae artists in Germany.
Yes, man.
That's true.
Reggae are good something, man, and Germany thief it from we, and it hurt me as a person. If you see how we all just have everything we have, them take away from we, so, and we just sit down and don't use it.
Yeah.
Them should have a place where them have young artists every day. A audition, you know good go so, you know good you go so, you good you come over here so. And them sign you up, they should have another company down there to sign the artists here and groom the artists and guide the artists for the artists to come through. And before you even get a hit song, you have a contract with him. You start giving money and he come like you have a job. Every day and get up and go and work, can go in the studio, can study music.
Yeah.
So him food alright and him bill alright. One week I'm get a little money. And you keep on coming.
Just like here, you know, the rich get richer. And you know, the poor get poorer. It's the same thing in the Caribbean.
And that me see I go on the prejudice thing. And it's like you want to find say the big man them just do busy with the youth, and when the youth rise and come amongst the big man, they friend him. Call upon a little TJ, you know. This young man, Mr. Bunting. Where Mr. Bunting know TJ from? You don't know him. He just know see the artist trending now and they want him to do a dub plate for him.
Yeah, true.
And just call upon him and say, yo TJ. But before TJ name TJ, you think we're going to search for him and ask him to do a dub plate for him?
Wow.
No.
I don't think so.
So that's what I say right now, they oppress you. But whenever time you break that barrier and come through now, them start to friend you.
But the dub plates are all done by separate artists. They're not done by local people to the parish or something.
Something needs to be done, man. Something
but I think, I don't know, you don't want it to be beneficial, you want it to be for a foundation, to have a basis, you know?
Yeah.
And that's more important to me than, you know, having spices.
Carnival, you see much people got loot in Carnival. It's when you have the festival, them like all the one down there, so the nothing get Carnival and the reggae and anything to do with reggae, it's like the people are mad. It's sweet, can't done. We should have a place, we say, right through the year, right through the day. Man work one shift. This year selector come in the morning, play in the morning, this one come in the afternoon and play in the afternoon, and they go right through the day like that.